a front flip and a full twist combined in one flip. Sounds difficult? Well, it's actually super easy if you know how to do it. And that's what I'm gonna show you today. But before I show you the so-called front full, you should be able to do a front flip and a Barani. If you can't do those two tricks yet, check out my tutorials about them and learn those flips first and come back to this video once you can do a front flip and a Barani. Now, what you need to do is, at the Barani, when you throw your right arm down to your left hip, you start the half twist. To turn the half twist of the Barani into a full twist, you need to 1. Throw your right arm down faster and with more power, and also throw it more to your left side. 2. While you're in the flip, your right shoulder, your right elbow and your right hand needs to pull to your left side. So you need to actively pull your body around the left side to do the full twist. 3. Try to squeeze your core and also kind of like twist your hips and your core to your left side. 4. Your left arm should pull back and also the left shoulder should go to the back to allow your right shoulder to come forward to start the twist and to keep twisting in the flip. In the beginning, you probably won't be able to do a full twist right away, but that's totally fine. Try to slowly twist a little bit more at the Barani. So instead of doing a half twist, you do a half twist and maybe like your upper body is a little bit further than the half twist already, just like this. As you saw now, this was like a little bit more than a Barani. It absolutely was not a full twist yet, but just do a couple of those and you will slowly start to figure out what you need to do with your arms and with your hip to convert your Barani into a front full. Please don't be disappointed if you can't do a front full after like 10 reps. It took me like, I don't know, 1 month to get from a Barani to a front full, because doing a twist in a flip is super hard to learn, but it's also so much fun. So yeah, just keep trying and you will see like there will be a time when your body just allows the twist and when the twist starts to feel natural. By the way, quick notice guys, this is the way I learned the front full. I mean like how I teach myself the front full, and it's like a freestyle way to do a front full. If you are a gymnast, don't listen to me, listen to your coach, because this is not the gymnast way to learn a front full, but in my opinion it's the easiest way and this way works pretty well. Let's move on to some tips now that will help you to get the front full easier. The first tip is that you actually make sure that you pull your right arm to your left side throughout the whole flip. Like actively think about the right arm and activate your muscles and pull your right arm to your left side. The second tip that I have for you is, and it's something that helps me to keep my orientation in a front full, I almost spot the ground throughout the whole flip. You definitely don't have to do it. It's just something that helps me with orientation and to stop after one twist and to not continue to do like a Rudy or something. I start the front full and do like half twist or like 3/4 of the twist, and then I turn my head to the right and look behind me. I see the ground and know exactly how much time I have left in my front full. My third and last tip is that you should activate your whole body. You don't want to be loose in a twist. You can't twist if your body is loose and you're just laissez-faire and none of your muscles is activated, it doesn't work. Keep attention in your body, have your muscles activated, and the twist will be like 100 times easier, I promise. All right, this is it with the Frontfull tutorial, and I hope that you can learn a Frontfull with the tutorial. If you need help or have any questions, just ask them down in the comments, and I will try my best to help you. Peace out, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye.